So, guys, the last time I said I love nature and I love
Not
agriculture.
only you, me too. I love
Yes, my
nature.
sister and I will love nature. And you can see we are just trying to figure out a place for us to do or to rest our head. And you can see what I'm trying to do because we forgot to bring the rope for the net.
A sun is shining,
Wait for me. Oh
sky
God.
so bright.
Okay.
Feel the
Yes, I'm careful.
rhythm, let's
Oh,
ignite.
my way.
We're the stars, we're taking flight, dancing to the beat all through the night. Feel the drums, let them
How
shake.
many is there now? Three. Three. Only. Then you manage just one. Just one. Falling already.
Tonight we dance under the moonlight. With every step we feel so alive. In the rhythm of the night we unite. Hands up high.
Yeah.
Together we'll
I'm going to. So you can see, this is the last one now. And do you know what I want to use it for? Or do you know what we want to use it for? We want to use it and build small tents for ourselves so that we can be able to rest our head. So you keep following us as we go to the camp. Don't worry. Jesus.
Sorry.
I just pretend. Kishon is sorry. Yeah.
sky so bright. Feel the rhythm.
Place.
It's nice.
I think we can just. Oh, but I didn't got to the place to rest our head. Yeah. Bring it out. Just drop it. Finally, I like this place too. Oh, you can see this place is hot. Oh, I was feeling it. Look at the way, look at how I'm sweating.
Sorry.
I have fan me first.
Sorry now. Sorry.
Bring it out. Let's just let me help you out too. Yeah, let's just read this one first. Yeah. I think we forgot the rope. Though. We did not forget it, right? It's short. The rope is short.
So what are you doing?
The rope is short.
So let's
But
use
I
this
know
thing.
what to do. I know what to do. Let's use this.
Let's like that.
Let's see. We'll use this. We'll use it. As you know what? Hey, that will be missing also. Hey. It's gonna miss up. Wait first.
Look like another one.
Yeah. I need to see how. Hold it. Yeah. Keep it like this first. Let's see how it's gonna be. Don't screw the outside. Be careful. So we try this one.
Are you sure? Yeah, we look at this one.
Don't worry.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. God is helping us. Yes. So, guys, the last time I said I love nature and I love
Not only
agriculture.
you, me too. I
Yes,
love
my
nature.
sister and I will love nature. And you can see we are just trying to figure out a place for us to do or to rest our head. And you can see what I'm trying to do because we forgot to bring the rope for the net. So we are just trying to, to figure out something to make sure that it laps the net. You can see. Yeah. Okay. I know what to do.
We just move this one now.
Which one?
Like, let's move this one. Then we
No, just leave it there. We'll take shot. It's okay.
A sun is shining,
So
sky so
guys,
bright.
as you can see,
Feel the
the tent
rhythm.
is set.
sure.
And like I said before, we are going to spend a day here. And for now, we are going to manage this as a mat or foam. So I'm going to go inside and make the bread. Yeah. Yeah, nice. Oh, this is how I'm going to rest. Anyways, let me just come out for now because we need to shower first. As is, I cannot just go to the stream like that. I'm famished. I want to eat.
Yeah, there's food for the bus.
Drop it because of all this insects.
So what do you want?
Bring out the orange first. Let's make it up. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, please. The only way you can support us is for you to comment, share it with your friends, anything you feel, so that we can, to give you different ways. You understand? Anyhow, if you see it and you don't like it, just comment the way you feel about the content. And we are going to do what? We are going to upgrade. Nice one.
I think
Why didn't you allow me to peel my own face?
I don't want to peel it. I just need to. You won't put it on now. It's okay.
Yours will go.
See, I'm doing nice.
You can use my palm and sit.
Take.
Use my palm and sit.
Let me see. This is the easiest way.
Are you not going to face me?
Sorry. Are you sure? Okay. The ear is okay.
Now, if I thought you are talented, now you would have sing. But you are not talented.
Who told you?
I am. You are talented. You are a good singer. You that don't used to sing in the house. I am sing now.
You know what I can do.
Nothing like done with your orange. You can be singing while you are sucking your orange. Let me sing. There is one thing I composed too, and I want to use orange. My sister is a stingy girl.
I'm not stingy, please.
She did not help me empty
Okay,
my
now.
orange.
Okay.
Mm.
Oh, I'm not stingy now.
Let me
So,
compose
I can now
another
say
song
that
again.
I'm not a stingy
I want to
sister.
compose another one.
Mm-hmm.
My sister is a giver.
Now
She
you're
can
coming.
give for Africa.
You can say that again. I support that one.
See this
So I'll
one.
take you to the studio.
Don't worry. When you take me to the studio, this is how I'll be singing. My sister is a giver.
You go and break something.
Break
Hope you have
what?
money to pay.
See this one. By the time I go to the studio, now I'll blow.
Sun is shining, sky so bright. Feel the rhythm, let's ignite. We're the stars, we're taking flight, dancing to the beat all through the